Here are the top 5 NFTs to hold for big profits in the long term. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are one of the most popular crypto investments. These assets have become an astonishing medium for art fans to display their affection for their favorite artists, as well as a solid tool for investors to hold and transfer value. Twitter is one of the most popular platforms for NFT fans to communicate. Finding the greatest NFTs trending on Twitter might help you find the best NFTs to trade or buy. If you're unfamiliar with non-fungible tokens and how they work, you may start by reading our guide on how to buy an NFT. Here are some of the most popular NFTs on Twitter right now. Lucky Block NFTs. The NFT collection was created by Lucky Block, a renowned online gaming site that specialized in decentralized prize draw games. Since its inception in early 2022, the network has attracted a lot of investment interest. The NFT of Lucky Block was introduced in February 2022. The Platinum Rollers Club is the name of the collection. Each Platinum Rollers Club NFT is worth around $1,170. This price point suggests a lower entry-level price than many other popular NFT collections. As a result, NFT fans will find the Platinum Rollers Club collection considerably more appealing. There's been a lot of discussion lately about the Lucky Block ecosystem. The site is holding a prize pool and NFT giveaway for investors, with a total prize pool of $1 million up for grabs. 2. Goblin Town NFTs. On Twitter, Goblin Town is one of the most intriguing NFTs. These NFTs were created for free just over a month ago. However, as a result of the tremendous level of investor interest, their prices have risen, with some of these collections commanding as much as $16,000 as a starting price. This collection contains 10,000 coins, all of which were created on the Ethereum network. The official Goblin Town Twitter account now has over 50,000 followers, according to a recent tweet. This demonstrates that even NFT collections without a clear direction can entice investors. Goblin Town NFT has so far piqued the interest of a number of investors that are solely interested in art. The collection's creators haven't published any crazy ambitions or roadmaps for the time being, so investors know they're just buying NFTs that represent art. While the collection doesn't have the same amount of popularity as blue-chip NFTs like Bored Apes and CryptoPunx, the rise in Goblin Town NFTs values over the last month should entice investors. 3. Other Deed for Otherside. Yuga Labs' Other Deed for Otherside NFT is one of the most recent collections from the design company that shot to fame after the huge success of its Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. The collection debuted in conjunction with Otherside, Yuga Labs' freshly created virtual world that acts as the company's metaverse iteration. Other Deed is still putting up fantastic figures. Several pieces in the collection have sold in the last hour, with one NFT, Other Deed number 85,033, selling for about $24.69 ETH, approximately $44,978 at the moment, a 1,000% increase over its original price. Other Deed's recent sales have been really spectacular. Other Deed number 59,906 was sold for $625 ETH, about $1.5 million, last month. The collection's affiliation with Bored Ape Yacht Club has undoubtedly boosted its popularity, and investors would undeniably be looking to see how the prices of these tokens keep moving over time. 4. Axi Infinity NFTs. In 2021, Axi Infinity became a viral sensation. The platform's play-to-earn premise, as well as the success and value of its AXS coin, drew in investors. Axi's digital pets represented by NFTs are at the center of the online gaming platform. Each player begins the game with 3 Axis and must compete with other players to win both Axis and AXS, the platform's token. Axis can be traded in the Axi Infinity in-app marketplace as well. The platform established a vibrant economy based on well-known coins. The next Axi Infinity Origins Championship has also piqued the interest of investors. A large number of players will take part in the competition. On the 11th and 12th of June, it is expected to take place in the Philippines. 5. CryptoPunx. The Ethereum blockchain is the foundation of CryptoPunx. Despite being sold to Yuga Labs in April, the collection remains one of the most popular NFT collections of all time. CryptoPunx is still in high demand, despite being one of the oldest collections on the market. A CryptoPunx was recently sold for 75 ETH. Investors interested in making money with NFTs should look for high-volume collections that are easy to flip, and CryptoPunx meets the criteria. In recent months, one of the finest locations for NFT fans to communicate and see potential collections has been Twitter. We've compiled a list of some of the most popular NFTs trending on Twitter so that potential investors may see which collections are driving the market. Overall, we think Lucky Block's NFT, Platinum Rollers Club, is a good investment.